Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to be covering how to attract more clients for your cleaning business. So you're probably watching this and you're frustrated with inconsistent leads and low paying clients for your cleaning company. You've poured your heart out into your business, but it feels like you're stuck depending on referrals, on spending endless hours creating content and posting on Facebook groups, social media, or maybe you're paying for leads on Angie Leads and Thumbtack only to get nothing in return. Right? So the reason why I'm going to show you this process and why this works is because I've seen this struggle firsthand through my parents' cleaning company. They were stuck in the same cycle. At first, they would do door-to-door sales, go to homes, go to businesses, and offer their services, hand out flyers and stuff like that. Got a couple clients that way, but slowly started depending on word of mouth and referrals. But as we know, that's inconsistent, and there could be times where there's slow season and multiple months where you're not getting a single client, right? So that's when I helped them create and build a strong online presence that slowly started building them more, getting them more high paying clients with less effort. So that's what I'm going to be showing you here today, that same process and how they implemented it so you can implement it for your business. So I'm going to show you the ineffective model of how it's done in the past, right? The old way of growing a cleaning business is exhausting and unreliable, right? Relying on referrals that dry up when you need them the most, spending hours every week creating content that doesn't convert, whether that's on social media, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook groups. It's hard posting content in a frequently consistent basis, but getting no return. Posting in Facebook groups, hoping for leads, only to compete with dozens of other businesses. Not only is this approach unsustainable, but it also wastes time and leaves you frustrated. So now I'm going to show you the new approach, which I built out for my parents' cleaning company that started getting them high paying clients and with less effort and getting them in a more consistent basis, right? So there's a better way to attract more clients without wasting time and energy. And that's by building a strong online presence, which brings you high quality clients consistently. This approach includes 3 actionable steps. So I'm going to dive in and show you exactly what they are. All right, so the very first step we're going to go through is building out a converting website, right? So this is going to be how it's structured, and this is the same structure and framework of how other top cleaning companies around the nation have their websites built out. I've searched cleaning companies in New York, in Texas, in California, in Florida, and for the most part, these cleaning companies, these top cleaning companies, have their website structured in this way. So I'm going to go over how it's structured. So we want to first optimize for SEO. So we want to identify keywords that are being searched in our local area, right? So there's different tools. You can go on YouTube and find ways to, or in different applications you can use so that you can find those keywords in your area and then start adding them into your website, right? So for example, here you can see Austin. Austin obviously is the city of where the business is located in, and that's definitely going to be a keyword they want to use. And adding that into the heading of the website is going to be very important. Also, you can see laundry could be a keyword, homes as well. And adding them not only on the main page, but adding them on different pages around your website, your service pages, your city pages, your contact page, and all that. Very important to do. Also, I want to point out is having a clear call to action. So as you can see here, they have a button here to incentivize the visitor to get a price, book their appointments, and follow up with the next step. Right. Same thing here. You want to have it scattered around the website. Next is having a simple process, having a step-by-step process to make it super simple for your audience and your prospect, your leads to understand how to book an appointment and get their space or property cleaned, right? So for example, here you can see that they explain how to book their appointment, get their price, get their home cleaned, also do laundry and download the app, right? So they have an app as well. So having it super simple for them to understand is going to be very important. Next is utilizing a unique selling proposition. This is going to allow you to differentiate yourself from the competition and really stick out from all the cleaning companies in your area. So for example, this cleaning company says we never cancel. They have a team you can trust and they have a higher standard of cleaning. So I would take some time to identify what your unique selling proposition is, why you're different from the other cleaning companies in your area, and why people should choose you over them. And also, you can add in pictures. This is really good to establish that credibility, like team with the uniform and the business car as well. Also here, you want to establish credibility. And how we do that is by adding reviews and testimonials to your website to really establish that trust and just showing that you have clients that love your service, love your work, and they keep on coming back for more, right? So that just, it incentivizes viewers and customers and leads to book an appointment with you and try out your services at the very least. This is the very similar to how shoppers go on Amazon and always go for the product that has the most 5-star reviews. This is going to be the same thing applying here. Now, the very last thing is adding local city pages, right? So I would choose 3 to 5 different cities in your area that you want to serve and creating specific pages for them. And that's going to really help you rank higher in Google. And when people search that city name, your business is going to show up more likely, right? So I recommend doing that as well. So that's how you, pretty much the framework of how to build a converting website. Now, I'm going to dive into the next step, which is optimizing your Google Business Profile, which we'll want to focus on having the right information on the profile itself, right? So this is what it's going to look like. This is the same company, and as you can see here, they have their services, so they go into detail what type of services they offer, so like deep clean, general housekeeping, moving-related cleaning, office and workspace cleaning. So you want to make sure you put in all the service types that you offer so that Google knows, and when people search up your services, you show up at the top. Also, service areas, you want to make sure you're adding all the service cities and areas you serve so that when people look up your area or look up for cleaning services in their area, you pop up as well. And then also adding the right contact information, phone number, email, having your website, all the links, your social media links, your website, having them attached is going to be very important as well to optimize your Google Business Profile. And also making sure you're posting photos and promotions. This section is going to be for updates, which is going to be basically discounts and promotions your business is going to be doing. Ideally, you want to post at least once or 2 times a week to really tell Google that you're actively looking for business or for customers, and it's just going to help you rank higher as well. And then you also want to consistently post content on this photo section. So there's going to be 2 different ways to post photos and content. And then next is getting reviews, right? So we all know getting reviews is very, very important for your business to really establish that credibility and that trust. So, and also it really helps you rank higher in SEO as well. So very important and very critical for your Google Business Profile. Then we have your Google LSAs. This is something you have to sign up for. And what you need to do to sign up would be just go look up Google LSAs and you can sign up. You just need to show your proof of your business, your insurance, and you have to get 5 legitimate reviews. Now, once you get that done, Google's going to process your verification and you'll be able to have your business appear at the very top of search results. So as you can see here, I typed in cleaning services in Houston. And these are the companies that have their businesses under Google LSA. So they have their business at the very top of search results. So as you can see here, Detailed Cleaning Services and Orange Zest Cleaning, they are Google guaranteed and they are paying for Google local service ads. As you scroll down on the search result, you can see what this is going to look like, which is the Google Map Pack, right? So what this is going to be organic reach. So you don't pay to be on here. The only way you can be on here is if you are organically ranking at a high rate up here. So as you can see here, Detailed Cleaning Services also appears here, and they're also at the Google Guaranteed section for the Google Local Service Ad section. So they're getting tons of reviews, tons of traction, and I'm assuming they get tons of calls every day. So that's the goal for any cleaning company. Making sure you're on the Google Map Pack, getting results, getting reviews, making sure it's optimized so you can get all that organic reach as much as possible. At the very third step, we want to focus on social media platforms. So Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, X, if you want to be on there as well. That all is going to be helping your SEO as well rank higher. And the main things we want to focus on here is branding, credibility, quality, and having your social medias linked to major directories and search engines. All right, so for branding, you want to make sure your logo and your brand colors are all over and are consistent on each platform. For credibility, you want to make sure you're posting reviews, your graphics for reviews, the team, your crew members, having posts about that, and the quality, right? The before and after pictures, pictures of you and the team, stuff like that really establish that trust and that quality of work and shows customers that you're a legitimate business. And then also having major directories, making sure you're connected and linked to major directories and search engines like Yelp, Thumbtack. You want to make sure you're signed up on them. And that just is going to help you rank higher as well. So that's basically how you want to optimize your online presence. And if you have any questions on how to get started on this, or if you have any questions on little intricate steps to building your website or optimizing your Google Business Profile or social media account, just message me or comment down below any questions you may have. Make sure to subscribe, and we also have a free group with a link in the description. You can click down below and join other cleaning business owners that are looking to scale their businesses. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.